Hello and welcome to this lecture. Go to atom.io and download this great text editor. Atom has many features, but I like how it works together with GitHub. You can open your GitHub repository directly in Atom and it will show up there as its own separate project. I expect you have some basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. Nothing special is needed, but the basics are essential here. I will show you how to easily locate elements you might want to change using Chrome and how to change them in Atom. Next, you will test your local copy of your website to see the changes, and finally you will upload the result to GitHub repository. Let's take a look at my local copy of my website now. As you can see here, I'm on my local copy and I want to show you one thing. In my works, I have a modal windows, and right here, if I hover to detail or close link, you will see this blue color, and this blue color doesn't quite fit to the color scheme of my website, and that's why I want to change it to specific orange color with hashcode CC5200. How would I do this? Well, the great tool of Chrome is that you can click on any element with right button and then select research, which will give you this new window, and inside the window you have your element already selected. Now, as you can see, this link doesn't have any class, so there is no CSS styling attached to it, but we have a div with class linkbox, and I want to show you now how to easily locate this inside the repository. So first I will go to GitHub and I will right click on my GitHub.io, which is my website, and open it in Atom. Now, as you can see, it's opened as a new project. Now I can select find in project, and I want to find linkbox. So I will just type linkbox here and hit enter, and as you can see, it will go through all the files of my project and return lines with linkbox. What I'm looking for now is probably some CSS file, because I want to change the style of the link. So as you can see, there is CSS called layout CSS, and I am looking for pop-up modal linkbox A, which is my link. So I will go to CSS folder and I will select layout, and once I'm in layout, I will hit escape button to get rid of this project scope search, and I will just hit Command F now to search for linkbox again, and it will give me linkbox definitions. And now what I am looking for is this behavior when the mouse goes over the link. So I will change this color from 004C to CC5200, and I will save the changes. And now if I go back and I will turn this off and refresh with Command R and click the modal window, you can see that now it's orange. This way you can find and change basically any element you want. Once you're happy with your result, you can go to your GitHub desktop application, and as you can see now, my change is already here. I can even see what changed. I can see that the original color has been changed to my new orange color, and all I have to do now is to write some description. So changing the link color to orange, for example, and I will commit it to master branch. Now the last thing I need to do is to sync the changes to the server, and once this is done, I can go to my website, hit Command R, and check if the change is already there. So I will go to my modal window, and if I go over the link, you can see that it's no longer blue but orange. That's all for this lecture. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.